In this video, we're going to learn how to add background music to your Instagram Reels. So in order to do this, open up your Instagram account and go ahead and create a new reel. Just hit the addition symbol there like you're just doing a new reel, and then just select Reel. And then once you've done that, go ahead and select the video that you want to add to your reel and go ahead and tap Next. And then once we've selected the video here, we want to tap on Next there at the very top. And then this is going to be where you edit your video. Now, in order to add background music, what we want to do is tap on the musical note at the very top of the video. So tap on where all the tools are there. You'll see a musical note. Tap on that there. It's going to bring up the different music that you can add. So we'll go ahead and add this song here. So we're adding this song to this section of the video. If you want to increase or decrease the section, you can just basically just drag that where you want that background music to be. And then what we want to do is we want to tap on Done. You need to make sure that you can see that the audio of the music is going to be overbearing the actual video in the reel. So we want to go to where you see Edit Video, tap on Edit Video, and then it's going to show you the timeline of the video. So what we want to do now is you want to tap on the actual track, the song there. So you've tapped on the song that we've added, the background song in the timeline. You can tell that by the musical note there. And then what you want to do is once you've selected it, it'll be highlighted yellow. Tap on the volume option there, and you can see that the volume for that track is set to 100. We then want to decrease that to, say, 15, or again, to your liking. It really doesn't matter. And then tap on Done. And then when you go and play back the reel, you'll see that the background music is now actually background music, and it's not overwhelming the actual audio from the video. Now, once you've done that, you go ahead and post the reel, and you've now added a background track or music to your Instagram reel. If you have any questions about how to do this, put that in the comment section below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.